So I'm here at my first point. It's like 5:26. It's our last day, so I'm hoping everything goes well. It's supposed to be hot again, so it sucks. But I have a cooler in the back of my car with Gatorade and water, and it should be ice cold when we get back. I only have 5 points. No. Yeah, 5 points to do. So it'll hopefully be a quick day. Alex is doing a full transect because he wants to beat it. The one that he didn't finish a couple days ago. So we might be waiting for him for a little while, but we all are prepared with books and computers and stuff. So we can just camp out in the car and wait for him, and then I'll drive back together and finish all together on time and whatever. So hoping it'll be a good day. I'm really tired again. Understandably, we left at 4:10 this morning so Alex could have extra time to get to his first point. I didn't sleep very well last night. There's like this wailing. I don't know if somebody's fan like freaked out or like some crazy animal was outside, but it definitely woke me up. It woke other people up too. So this is the last mini bog at the end of the valley. Or I guess Beaver Pond is more apt. But Katie heard, I think she actually saw a great blue heron here. She had one of her counts. So I'm hoping to get one also. I've never had a great blue heron in the valley, so it'd be a pretty cool addition to my list. Apparently the top of this transect gets pretty nasty. But I've never actually done counts here before. I didn't have to do this last year either, thank goodness. It seems pretty open here, and there's like a ton of beaver logs, like stumps and stuff from the beavers, so it's kind of cool. But I'm hoping I get lucky and I can find a path through the gross stuff coming up. We'll see. At any rate, it's a cool area. Be interesting to see in the winter, I think, because it's so open here. I feel like it's a lot of snow. Well, it turned out to be a beautiful morning. Finished my last count like 20 minutes ago, and I just spent the last 20 minutes wandering around and trying to find birds because I'm probably gonna have some extra time. Waiting for Alex back at the car. So, figured I'd use my time in the forest to do something else besides sit. I had a really good count with some Canada warblers. My second count had a white-throated sparrow, but beyond that, pretty boring day. Really easy transect too, because I only had 5 points to do. I got done at like 7:15. So yeah, I'm heading back now, and probably just gonna sit and hang out, maybe do some computer stuff I don't need internet for, so fun day. And then we'll head back and have 4th of July celebrations. It'll be good.